Regional Civil Security Unit.
Tira, ikaw ang pinakamabait eh.
Hindi ko alam, sir.
Lucia,
Supervisory Office for Security Guard and Investigation.
kung may security guard ka pa.
For security.
Dapat siya sinasabi yung sabi. Yung nangyayari ko.
For Security and Investigation Agency.
Ulit.
Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agency.
RCSU.
Regional Civil. Wait.
Ah.
Regional Regional Unit Security. Ay, wait. Regional Civil Security Unit. Mablampang sa inyo.
Paulungan ka pa kasi O kampo. Posible na mo makabisado. Kabisado mo na sigurado na ubos na yung buhok mo kaka-recite eh. Kaka-recite eh. Sosya.
Supervisory Office for Security Agency. Investigation Office.
Office.
Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agency.
Office. Sosya nga dulo eh. Laging office.
Ayaw, di ba?
Tira.
License to operate.
License to operate. FP. FP. License to operate. Ang layo naman ng EPO mo, license to operate.
Ano ba yun, sir?
Ha? EPO? Fuck, mo. EPO.
Pass.